Why eating healthy can be challenging with a busy schedule.
Juggling work, family, and a packed calendar can make healthy eating feel impossible. Grabbing quick bites or skipping meals is tempting when time is short. Yet nutrition is vital for energy, mood, and overall well-being. The good news? Even with limited time, you can build easy, sustainable habits that support your health, all without requiring a major lifestyle overhaul.
Plan ahead with simple meal prep.
Meal prepping doesn't have to take hours. Set aside a little time once or twice a week to wash, chop, and portion out fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Prepare overnight oats, salads in a jar, or snack containers to grab on the go. This way, healthy options are always within reach, saving you both time and decision fatigue during busy days.
Make smart choices on the go.
Healthy eating doesn't stop when you're away from home. Keep nutritious snacks on hand, like nuts, yogurt, or whole fruit, to avoid vending machines or drive-through temptations. At restaurants or cafeterias, choose grilled over fried items, request dressings on the side, and add extra vegetables whenever possible. Small swats add up to provide more lasting energy and satisfaction.
Prioritize balanced meals, even if they're simple.
Aim to include a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in each meal. Quick combos like hard-boiled eggs with whole grain toast, hummus and cut veggies, or lean chicken in a wrap are convenient and filling. Balancing your plate keeps you satisfied longer and helps prevent cravings that lead to less healthy choices later on.
Hydration and mindful eating matter.
Don't overlook the basics. Drink water and eat mindfully. Keep a water bottle nearby to remind yourself to hydrate throughout the day. Take a moment, even if it's brief, to enjoy your food, chew slowly, and listen to hunger cues. Mindful eating not only improves digestion, but can make meals more satisfying and rewarding.
Sustainable routines for lasting health.
Consistency is the key to healthy eating with a busy lifestyle. Start with 1 or 2 small habits, like prepping breakfasts or carrying healthy snacks, and build from there. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making positive choices more often. Simple routines can make healthy eating feel natural, even on your busiest days.